Nako, malilate na ako sa aking appointment. Diba sabi ko sa inyo last night na I'm going to an appointment para tumingin ng mga RVs, mga ganon. Para pang camping kasi right now, summertime right here in Las Vegas. So maganda yung meron kang RV or trailer or whatever. So titingnan natin. Gusto ko yung yung maliit lang, hindi masyadong malaki. Yung tama lang ba na pwedeng kung dadalhin kahit saan, di ba? Kasi that's one of my my dreams. Kasi when I was in Reno, yon meron ako noon from my ex. And then now, so nandito ako sa Las Vegas. So sometimes like kung sakali man na meron naman akong isang ganon, pwede kong dalhin na camping-camping. Ako lang mag-isa. Kasama ko yung aking Bubbles, yung aking little puppy na si Bubbles. Ayan. Yan ang anak ko ngayon. So anyway, so I will get in touch with you mamaya. Sana may mapili ako. Kasi kung sobrang malaki naman at medyo hindi komportableng dalhin kahit saan-saan, kailangan pumili talaga ako yung the right size talaga. O, di ba? Ayan, papasok na ako sa Camping World. Dami, punyetan, dami. Dami silang RV. Oh, shit. Pipili ka na lang kung anong size ang gusto mo. Nakalula. Holy shit, ang dami. That's a lot. Saan kaya ako mag-park? Where can I park? Collision accessories. Camping World. Maybe dito. RV sales. Ayun. Ah, shit.
And the destination is on your right.
Dito. Alright. I guess I have to go. Ang dami. Putang ina. Sige na nga, punta na ako sa office nila. Okay, I finally got here the RV Camping World RV sales. Alright. So, mag-inquire ako ngayon. Ang dami kasi, ang dami malalaki. Nag-isa lang ako, kailangan maliit lang. Pang camping lang. Okay, punta na ako doon. Dami. Camping World, RV sales. Alright.
So we take a little pride in what we do.
That's good, that's good. And of course for me, I mean, I'd rather want something that is really, movable anyway, that, you know, whenever I want.
Turn right onto South Las Vegas Boulevard.
Okay.
Max towing capacity
5,005. So do you have 5,000 pounds?
Nothing's less than 5,000.
Oh, perfect. All right, that's
So
good
just
then.
yourself?
Just by myself, yeah.
You have a budget you want to stay in?
Oh, well, I mean, so I just submitted my info right here. It's a Camping World. Okay, guys, I just finished my inquiry. So, I'm gonna go to their website and find kung ano yung gusto ko. Kasi nandun lahat kasi wala naman talaga silang complete na ipapakita dito na mga na yung talagang maliit. So, I have to go through their website and find out kung gaano kalaki yung para sa akin na pwedeng hilain ng aking car.